You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna.
Hello?
Why don't you want to talk?
Who's this?
You tell me your name, I'll tell you mine.
I don't think so.
What's that noise? You making popcorn?
Uh-huh.
I only eat popcorn at the movies.
Well, I'll get ready to watch a video.
Really? What?
Just some scary movie.
You like scary movies?
Uh-huh.
What's your favorite scary movie?
I don't know.
You have to have a favorite. What comes to mind?
You know the one with the guy with the white mask who stalks babysitters?
Yeah.
What's yours? What's up, Memoir Gang? Welcome back to my channel, and we are starting a new vlog today. God, it's cold.
Back up some. Get this done. So she is going to be possibly fix your hair.
Yeah, but not so close.
Come on now, so you can get this up. Put your hand on your hip, not your stomach. Why are you making it so difficult this morning? What's wrong? One of them, put one arm down. Put your head up. Put one leg up. Come on, you know the routine. Lord, come on, stop being silly. So can you relax? Can you smile or something?
Wow, the pressure is getting worse.
Sorry, smile. Why you making it so difficult? Looking like you come over that cat get you. Put your hand, take that hand and get your hair back some. No, put that hand back. Yeah, turn your head, put your fix your leg. My girl want to be difficult this morning.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
The next day.
So today is Tuesday. I'm just starting my day off doing my devotional and with prayer.
For it is by believing in your heart that you are made right with God, and it is by openly declaring your faith that you are saved. This is like one of those things that just sounds way too good to be true. You're saying all I have to do is openly declare that Jesus is Lord in my life and believe in my heart that God raised him from the dead, and then I'm saved? Yeah, it's good and it's true, but a lot of people have a hard time believing that. People that don't have a relationship with God yet will oftentimes think that they have to figure things out in their life before they can come to God, no matter how many times we tell them that they can come as they are. Well, this is where we need to learn the phrase, actions speak louder than words. If we want people around us to believe that this is true, one of the ways that we can help with this process is by showing them the love of Jesus through your love for them. Reggie Joyner said it best. Everyone needs someone to see them like Jesus does. So, who's that person that you need to be intentional about this today?
So I'm a visual person, so I like to take notes and write stuff down. So now that I got that out of the way, I just came in my living room to open up the blinds, and I decided to turn on Halloween and come and fix me some coffee. Y'all, I love that glass. I've been wanting me one of those glasses for the longest. Well, y'all, not coffee. I'm making one of these breakfast drinks. It's the Rice Krispie flavor. And I'm just adding a little bit of creamer. And this is the flavor that I'm using. And I'm also fixing me a bagel. It's the everything but bagel. I think that's what it's called. And I'm just using that smoked salmon, cream cheese.
Told me to be careful who I love, and Daddy always told me make sure he's right. I always had my eyes on this one particular guy. I was too shy.
So I'm just giving y'all a preview of my bathroom. I done started cleaning it up. I got a new shower liner. I've already cleaned my toilet. Y'all, that's one of the least favorite things about the bathroom that I hate cleaning is my toilet. And now I'm about to wipe my mirrors down, wipe my counters down. And I showed y'all this clip right here because I'm throwing this away. It's an oil diffuser. It's old and I already got another one that I'm going to put in here.
As a matter of fact, I was the one who said I loved you first. It was about 8 years ago. Don't act like you don't know. We were sitting at home in your mama's living room. Cause couldn't be alone. See, your mama knew I was something else. She knew how I felt. Back then we were in school, and that's your favorite excuse. Growing up, I was a fool, and I can't lie, I'm missing you. Listen and don't trip. I think I need a bottle with a genie in it. Here's my wish list. I will create a heart changing. I'll take yours and they'll lead us. But I don't need a lot of wishes, cause I'll be okay if I get one. If I had one wish, we'd be best friends. Love will never end, it would just begin. If I had one wish, you'd be my rule. Promise to love you, trust me, I trust. So crazy right now.
I look this so deep in your eyes. I touch on you more and more every time. When you leave, I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2-3 times in a row. Such a funny thing for me to try to explain. How I'm feeling and my pride is the one to blame. Cause I know I don't understand just how your love can do what no one else can. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your touch got me looking so crazy right now. Got me hoping you page me right now. Your kiss got me hoping you save me right now. Looking so crazy, your love's got me looking so crazy. Oh man.
So now that I got the bathroom out the way, I came in the kitchen to fix me some lunch, and I'm cooking those crab cakes and crab ragoon. I purchased these from Food Line.
Crazy over you. No matter what I do.
So y'all, this part here, I forgot I had put that pan in there. It's just a pan with some grease in it, and I don't have like a tool to put grease in it, so I just keep it in the oven to keep it out the way. And I forgot it was in there. And so now I'm just getting ready to wash up a few dishes and put my toaster up.
Be underway. You can hit me on my foot, flow. Hold me till I scream for every and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
And now I'm just about to make my mayo and mustard dip, my go-to dip I like to eat with seafood.
To the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, baby. And reach right to the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, baby. Then dip me underway. You can hit me on my foot, flow. Hold me till I scream for every.
So I decided to put on Vampire Diaries and watch that while I eat. And it's a couple hours later. I came in the bathroom to take a shower. Now I'm just getting out the house to go to work. I had to be to work at 5 on this day. And now I have made it to work. On this particular day at work, it was very chill. We had a new shipment of shoes to come in, and we just had to check them in and put them out on the floor. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on anything that I have said in this video, please feel free to comment. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when I put up new videos. Cause what? Cause how is y'all gonna see me? And I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.
Love is everything.
The boy is mine.